Okay, I just had to try this quick. So a short update. This is my 8mm belting, and you can see how it's grooved. And then this is where I tighten it, so I just pull it underneath each. And then I built this. I don't have my stops wired in yet, but forthcoming, I guess. And then I just found some 7-wire cable because I needed 4 to run the stepper motor. And then I guess I just hopped up here, and then I can at least back and forth. Oh, it is jamming up a little bit. I think I need to just clean some of from all the grinding and stuff. But I am going to put another motor on this side because you can see it definitely wants to. But whatever, it's a start. I have movement. Very cool.